Hello and welcome. This is a Swing Position, a weekly wrap-up session. It's May 16, 2009. So welcome back, traders of the world. Let's take a quick look and flash back at last week. So last week wasn't the greatest week we've ever had. It was actually one of our 3 losing weeks in the last year. Wasn't a big loss, but still minus 13 pips. That drew down the account by about 1.5%. How did we do this week? Well, we're climbing back, but yet very slowly. So far, we've accumulated 68 positive pips, increased the account by 3.6%. Hey, and we still got one open trade that's profitable on that Aussie 4-hour. If you've been watching the daily wrap-ups, you know which trade we're talking about here. Alright, so what does this mean as far as money is concerned? You know, all those pips, all those percentages. What does that mean if it was your account? Well, to explain this, let us introduce the 3 hypothetical trader: Peter Pipper, Susie Lovelots, and Bubba Big Shot. Yes, indeed, they all gone through the graduate program. They all attend the Swing and Po team trade room on a daily basis, and they just have a different level of experience. They didn't start trading all at the same time, but what they did is they each opened 2 accounts to start the year. One compounder, one reward account. Peter started with $500 each. Then we have Susie, Miss Lovelots. She started with $2,000 in each. And finally, Mr. Bubba, Big Shot, started with $10,000 in each because he can. All right. So here's a little wrap up of this week. There was 21 trigger calls there. 12 winners plus 1 open. That's a guaranteed winner at this point in time, where the stop loss is locking us pips. 8 straight loss, a total pip of 68 right now, and we'll add up to that next week once we close the last trade. And the return on investment, well, so far is at 3.6% and can only go up at this point. All right, so here are the trades, all the particulars. So we're on the Aussie 4-hour. This one's only got 1 pip profit guaranteed right now, but it was up over 60 pips last time we checked. So there we go. So there are losses. Lots of break-even trades, you know, those one little pippers. This is what the market has been giving us, a lot of those in the last 3, 4, probably even 5 weeks. So bringing down our totals and keeping the amount of trades up as well. Long are the days where we only had, 10, 12 setups a week. Now it's more around 20 setups a week, that we're trading. Anyways, here are the trades. So did our traders take all of these trades, you're asking? Indeed they did, because in order for the probabilities to play themselves out and be reflected in the accounts, we must take all potential setups that are offered to us as much as possible there. And with these setups, the way we manage our money is very simple. We trade account number 1 until we have compounded that account by 10%. And then, well, we'll take the rest of the trades in the reward account number 2. Well, this week we didn't get there. Last week we didn't get there. There's been a few weeks since we got to our reward account. The days, the glory days have passed, but they'll be back. Rest assured. So let's go see how everyone fared this week. So Peter Pipper, remember, $500 in each account. Well, this week's ending balance for his compound account is $2,950, and the reward account still at $2,275. So we haven't touched that reward. I know that Peter's going to go on vacation this summer, so he might hit some of that reward. Susie Lovelots, compound account. She's at $11,800, and she's still just under 10 grand in her reward account. Remember, she started with 2,000 in each account. A $410 profit this week. And Mr. Big Shot, well, remember, he started with $10,000 in each account. Well, look at the compound account. $59,000, almost 6 times what he originally had. And in the reward side of things, well, 4.5 times what he originally had, over $45,000 right now. Hasn't been touched in a few weeks, but bottom line is over $2,000 profit for Bubba this week. Good job, everyone. Good job. So again, there was 21 trades that triggered 12 winners plus 1. 8 losers will have at least 68 pips and at least 3.6% return on investment this week. Those are obviously gross pips and gross profits there as always. And now questions come: are we expected coach to take every single one of these trades that we call to the exact pip? And my answer is a simple yes, because the money management rule of the swing and position phase are fully mechanical. We're talking everything mechanical: entry, stop loss, profit taking. And the fact is that they do create the exact same end result, no matter who is managing the trade. Could be Bubba, could be me, could be you. And we believe in this: give a man a fish, he eats for a day. Teach him how to fish, he will eat for a lifetime. And let us be your Forex fishing guides. We want to show you how to pip. Trust us, come along. And it starts right here, folks. www.teachmeforex.com. There you'll find out who we are, what we do, and how we do it. And you'll also figure out how to join us next week in one of our exciting team trade rooms. And please help us fulfill our vision. Let us create the largest team of successful online currency traders in the world, one trader at a time. Will you be next? And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a beautiful weekend.